What's up guys, it's Vishal back with another video, and today I would like to talk about candid photography because a few days earlier I had an event at my college and I shot a lot of candid pictures, and these pictures actually could tell a story. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Wait. Before you get into the video, make sure you subscribe and like the video. And now you can roll the intro. Candid photography. What does it mean? It's basically an art of capturing a moment which is completely natural and not staged or scripted. Here you can see my friend playing a game and he's totally into it. Taking a picture now without him posing for it and being completely natural is candid photography. Now I would like to show you a few shots that I took in the event, and the event was called Enciphering and my friends were the judges. So before I show you the candid photos, I would like to show you a bunch of pictures which basically sums up the event. So this is called creating a story with only images. Now let's get back to candid photography. These are a few basic candid photos which is just point and shoot in the moment. Whereas this has a little bit of story behind it. This picture gives a vibe of a participant who's taking part in the competition between others and the event heads in front of him. Now here are a few more pictures of the contestants and capturing the vibe and tone of the people enjoying and trying to solve their way to victory. There's not much to be thought here. You can take multiple photos in succession like I did here. Lol. When in burst mode, you can choose the right frame, and all you have to keep in mind is try to get a picture of someone or something in the most natural act, like a smile or an intense face, and so on. Just start shooting and learn from it. Make use of the environment and the surroundings to tell a story through the picture. Finally, this is the best picture I took on that day because it was totally candid, and this picture gave me a vibe of monotony and sadness. The mood was eerie, the pic was perfectly framed with the focus being on the subject, and the lighting matched the theme. So candid photography is just one topic in this wide genre of photography, and if you like the video, make sure you comment down below and I shall make more such content. So with that said, hit the like button, get subscribed. See you soon. This is Half-Life.